Are you worried about who sees your sensitive information? You're not alone. Data security is more essential than ever. With Capsule, control your data effortlessly. Our user permissions let you manage access based on roles. This ensures only the right people see critical records. Enjoy peace of mind with easy security features like single sign-on and two-factor authentication. Protect your data with robust procedures that meet GDPR compliance. Capsule stands out with its seamless login options, flexible permissions, and top-notch encryption. You'll benefit from automated backups and constant uptime monitoring. Don't compromise on security. Start using Capsule today and take control of your data like never before.